Hi everybody! Welcome back to What's Collectibles. I'm Joe.
I'm Kallie. And I'm Kinslee.
And today we have 2 Funko Sodas from Entertainment Earth and 3 FunPop Collectibles mystery boxes.
Let's get into it!
Okay girls, let's start with
Appetizer?
the appetizer, the 2 sodas. And do we want to tell them what sodas we got?
Yes!
Okay, which ones?
We got Hercules.
Yeah.
Wait, isn't that... So what's that? Isn't the Hercules chase is fire, but do you know if the chase is fire? Ooh, wait.
Which one would you like?
Wait,
That one? Okay, who wants to go first?
Oh, this is...
let me show off
These
this.
are sealed.
Yep, these are completely sealed.
Oh.
Here is the common. And of course, the nice thing about this one is the common is him as the normal Hercules, but the chase is when Hercules is a baby and they have him on the kind of like a little pedestal. Yeah?
Daddy,
Yes.
we haven't done sodas in a long time.
I know.
I was thinking what's his name? The bad guy in the movie?
Oh, Hades.
I was thinking like Hades for some reason.
No, this is only Hercules. So who's gonna go first?
Kallie.
Okay, Callie's gonna go first. Okay, so Kinsey, let's just watch Sissy.
How do you start it?
Right here. Oh, this one's kind of hard.
Yeah, I'll start mine so you guys don't have to wait that long. Ooh.
Okay, and then you just grab it right there. Here, I'll help you. Got it?
Yeah, I got it. I'm just gonna start like that and then...
There you go. Rip it open! Use those Hercules muscles! We need a chase.
We need a chase.
Callie, you better think of your chase dance.
I know my chase dance.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Okay, let me help you.
Don't look
So we
at
don't
the
look.
pog.
Grab the bag. We won't look at the pog.
No looking.
No looking.
No, put it on there. Put it on there. I want a kiss.
Okay, we got the 3 lucky kisses. Okay, no looking. Peeking. No peeking.
Put it under.
Do you need help? Oh, you got it. No, you can't open it like that. That's right here, baby.
Don't look.
No looking.
Daddy, don't
Try not to feel too much because, like, the common is totally different than the chase.
I feel it like...
We don't say it because then they're going to know. So take it out of the bags and then you hold it and you show it.
Ooh, it feels weird.
Okay. Did we get the chase?
Chase.
3,
2,
2, 1. Oh, it's just the common. But pretty
I
cool.
knew it was just a common. What's that chase, Dad? I don't know the chase. Him little. Yeah, I'm gonna start.
Yeah, it's him as the baby. We'll put it up on the screen right now. Okay, so let's put this away while we watch Kinsey open up hers.
Wait, did we show the pop?
Oh, yeah, we can show the pog. There you go. Show it off.
Ooh, I like the color.
Yeah, it's nice.
There.
There you go. What is the count? Oh, sorry. 1 in 10,000.
Dad, can you help me do it?
Yeah, I can help you get it open.
Okay, let's put this to the side. I'll put Hercules there. I think it's a common.
Really?
I never saw it.
Well, that one was, let's just shake it.
Let's put it back in.
We'll just do your kiss.
Hey!
Thank you.
No good luck for me.
Oh, okay.
And
Woo! Okay, whoa, the double kiss.
no,
Okay,
no.
here we go. Let's see if we can get the perfect pull. 1 common, 1 chase.
Yay!
Yeah, that's cool.
I hope.
3.
2, 1.
Ah, just another common. But hey, that's okay though, right? Here we go. Are we ready for the FunPop mystery box?
Yes.
Okay, I believe this is 3.
3?
Yeah, I think this is 3.
Wait. Can you remind me one more time if there's a...
Oh, let's go over the what's in this box first.
Okay.
That's a good point. Okay, so in this box, some of the top hits include the Huckleberry Hound Fun Days exclusive, a Diamond and Flock edition, the Chopper Chase, the SSG Goku shared sticker, the Young Ben. What else is in here? The Derek Jeter Chase, Mewtwo Flocked. Oh, you like the pink Batman?
Yeah.
And of course they have that 500 piece. I think it was 500 piece. Geico. So yeah, I really want that Freddy Funko as TMNT.
Oh, I didn't see that
One of the only two that we don't have. Okay? Are we ready?
Yes.
I'll show it to you after.
Okay.
Okay? Alright, let me count how many are in here.
Wait, what? Wait,
Wait, no looking. No looking, no looking. No, no soda in this box.
Oh.
No, there's no soda.
I thought there was just soda. Wait, who's going first?
So
Do you
there's
want me to go first or you?
yeah, there's 3 pops.
Okay. John, Ken, Poe!
Ooh, so who's going first? Okay, Kinsey's gonna go first. I'm gonna open up. No looking.
No looking, Ken.
Peekers.
No.
My little peekers.
Close your eyes.
Okay, Kinsey, don't look. It's this one.
Close your eyes.
3,
2,
2, 1. Ooh, the Tanjiro Hot Topic exclusive Tanjiro. Ooh, pretty cool.
Callie, don't touch the sheet.
Okay, Kallie, let me get yours.
There's a lot of bubble wrap in there. So
And
this
that's
is
good.
mine.
That is yours. We'll see who won at the end, who has the highest.
Okay.
Okay?
That's my favorite part.
Let me take the wrapping off of that one. Okay? Close your eyes. No peeking.
I just saw
3, 2,
What?
1. Oh, the GameStop exclusive. Captain America. Okay, that's a nice one. That's your pop. Now it's just Daddy's turn. Okay, are you ready?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, no peeking.
Don't forget.
3, 2, 1. Ooh, I got a Christmas one though.
Daddy!
Cat Snowman.
Daddy! We both got the same, but they're just different characters.
Oh, pretty cool though.
I
Yeah,
think
we got Marvel. We both got Marvel.
if you were to put it in order, I think it would be like this.
I agree. Okay, are you ready to do PPGs?
Yeah, me too.
Okay, let me grab.
Good thing this one's safe because it doesn't have I think this is the highest because it's in a protector.
Okay, here we go. Are we ready for PPGs?
Yes.
Okay, here you go. First up is going to be the Cap Snowman. Of course, this is just the common.
My top snowman is coming in at $18.
Not bad, $18. We paid $16 per box, so there would have been 3 boxes in here. Next up is the Captain America GameStop exclusive. Ooh.
Coming at $17.
Oh, so $17. So it goes like this. So far, Daddy's in the lead. Last one, the Tanjiro Kamado Hot Topic.
36?
You remember when there's a line there? It's probably 36 though. Move it up. Keep it going.
Oh,
Wait. Oh no, 24.
24.
$24. So not bad. We got all of our pops were over the $16.
Daddy, what's the total on all of these?
Oh, I don't know. 16 plus 18 is 20. 34 plus 24 is what? 50.
No, that was 17.
Oh. So 18 plus 17 is 25 or 35 plus 24 is $59.
Wait, how much was
So $59. Not bad, guys. High fives, everybody. Woohoo! That was pretty fun, huh?
Yeah.
Well, everybody, thank you for joining us. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and don't forget to comment down below and let us know which one of these were your favorite pops. Well, see you next time. Bye!